Hey y'all, hey, it's me Brittany, Britannia718, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel or it's been a while since you've seen me, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you can see videos from me. Alright, so whenever I post that I'm about to get my hair retightened or that I've gotten my hair retightened, a question that I always get asked is, how long does it take to get your hair retightened? I know with all that hair, it must take forever. And I wanted to tell you guys that actually it does not take very long. Even when my hair was shorter, when I was back in Brooklyn and even in South Florida, the ladies that do my hair usually have done my hair within 3 to 3.5 hours. And that still remains the same now. So I know you're wondering, how is that possible? Because I've had some people tell me that their hair is shorter than mine and it takes them much longer to get their hair retightened than it takes me. And there are a few things that I just want everybody to pay attention to when it comes to their retightening session. The first thing I want you guys to pay attention to is your time in between retightening sessions. Are you going within the scheduled amount of time that you and your consultant worked on? Some people go 4 to 6 weeks, some people go 8 to 10 weeks. Some people, it just varies depending on each person. I now go every 6 weeks. I know back in the day when I was in Brooklyn, I used to go every 4 weeks, but I'm going every 6 weeks now. And I make sure to stay on top of my schedule. The second thing to consider, do you have a lot of slippage? Like, especially if you're newly locked, right? If you're not braiding and banding your hair properly and you're not waiting until it dries to then loosen it out, you know, is that what's taking so long for your retightening sessions? Sometimes when there are a lot of slippage, extend rather the time that it'll take to get your hair retightened. The third thing I want you guys to all consider is your grid intact. Having to do any type of reconstruction to your grid and making sure the parts are aligned, right? That can also take some time as well. And the fourth thing is really the speed of your technician. I know that sounds kind of shaky, but hear me out. I did go to one lady and she used a clip tool and it took her like over 6 hours to do my hair. Double the time I'm usually accustomed to sitting in a chair. And I'm not saying that the clip tool is a difficult tool to use. Some people have mastered it. With the clip tool, if you're not aware, it has like a little hook and you push down on it, you hook the hair on, and then it has a point in which you do your rotations and everything. It's really essential to know that the speed of your technician can determine how long your sessions take. If you have a new technician and they take their time, then yes, that can result in you being in the chair for several hours. But then there are cases where, your loctician may have been doing this for a long period of time and they still move slow. There's not much that we can say about that, because yes, speed is great, right? But with speed, you always want to make sure that your hair is being retightened properly. Don't always think that faster is better or slower is better. It's making sure that your hair is healthy, that the base, the foundation of your locks are what it's supposed to be. So if it takes a little longer, but you still love your hair, right? Then just, kick back for a little bit. I know everybody does not have, 5, 6, heck, even 8 hours to spend to get their hair retightened. Just plan your time accordingly. Because I'm not going to tell you guys, oh, you need to find somebody else to retighten your hair. That may not always be the option for people. So make sure you're thinking about everything before even using that option to see somebody else. If this person is doing your hair to your liking, then just, kick back. But as long as your hair is what you love and you're proud of it and you want to strut, then go ahead and do it. So guys, I hope you found this video to be helpful and useful. You guys know then where you can find me: Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. Make sure you're subscribed. If you're not subscribed, tell your mom and them I said to subscribe. And I'll see y'all soon. Later.